welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome if you are returning, and hello and welcome if you're new. So my name's Tara, I post makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel. So if that's something that really tickles your fancy, you feel like sticking around, then please by all means hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It's completely free. You get updated every single time that I'll upload a video. I'm trying to make it do 2 a week, and yeah. So this is the week that I'm going to Pride. I go to Pride on Saturday, today is Monday. So I went shopping over the weekend and I picked up a few bits that I'm going to be taking to Pride with me, and I just thought that I would show my beautiful friends exactly what I bought and what I picked up. So if you want to stick around and watch this video, that would be amazing. Also give it a big thumbs up and it helps you go out a lot and the channel. So yeah. I'm just going to jump straight into it because, as usual, I've not charged up my camera and I'm going to work in a few hours, so I'm on the late shift this afternoon. So grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee, your favourite snack, and let's just jump into it, guys. I want to show you guys is the bag that I'm going to be taking everything in. Obviously we're going in my mate's car, so it's not a big car, so there's 3 of us, so we're going to have to try and pack lightly-ish. So yeah, I bought this bag. It's quite a big duffel bag type. It's got rainbows on it, so I thought, you know, definitely Pride inspired. I picked up this little rainbow key ring. I just thought it was quite cute. I picked this up from Home Bargains for like 99p. But the bag itself was off eBay and it cost, I think, £10.99 for the bag. So really, really affordable. They came within, I'd say about, because it came from China, so I think I want to say about 7 to 14 days. Within that time frame anyway. So it was pretty good delivery. It's got 2 handles. It's just thought that that would do ideally for Pride. It's pretty spacious inside. I'm only going for 2 nights and a day. So I'm going on Saturday till the Monday. And yeah, it's quite big inside, so it'll fit quite what I need. So yeah, I just thought that this was pretty handy. So this is the first thing I got. We'll do Superdrug next. So I went into Superdrug. I went in with Grace and Jenna, my 2 friends who I'm going to Pride with. And the first thing that we saw were these Pride inspired makeup brushes. How cute are they? So yeah, Grace was like, look at these. So they went obviously straight into my basket. So these are from the brand called Vivo London. And they're just Pride inspired makeup brushes. So these are, the bristles are 100% synthetic, which is really good. And you get a powder brush, a blush brush, an angled eyeshadow brush, and a eyeshadow blending brush. And these were £5. Obviously your girl picked up her vitamin E spray. This is a dupe for the Max Fix Plus. I absolutely love this. This is £3.99. And obviously I cannot go to Pride without my setting spray. Bought myself some Shore spray. This is just a little mini. So yeah, I bought myself a little bottle of Shore spray to go with. I then picked up this Sanctuary, so this is the Sanctuary Spa Foaming Micellar Cleansing Water. It's better than taking like my big micellar water, so I'm taking this instead. And you get 50ml, and this is just like a little mini. I got a little mini Colgate Max White toothpaste, because you know, you gotta brush your teeth when you're away, aren't you? Also, I bought some Listerine, little mini of Listerine. This is just the Stay White Listerine, and it's the Arctic Mint. Went into Boots and I bought just a few little hair products. So I'm absolutely in love with the Lee Stafford hair products. I used to use them all the time, then I stopped using them for no apparent reason. I just used other things. But just lately I've been seeing other people on Instagram and YouTube using the Lee Stafford like collection. This is the anti-humidity spray. Obviously with the damp weather and then going really hot and humid, I thought I'd need some of this definitely. of the Lee Stafford Heat Protection Shine Mist. These were on a third as well, so third of the price, which is always good. So this is really good to protect your hair from the heat, because obviously I'm going to be styling my hair. I mean, today I just can't be bothered. I'm going to work in a bit, so it goes straight up. And the last thing that I got from Boots was the Poker Straight Shine Serum. Oh my god, if you have not tried the Lee Stafford Poker Straight Serum and you want your hair to be that pin straight, this is the one that you need to use, guys. It is amazing. This is a 50ml bottle. You only need a little bit, and you just literally run it through your hair, and it's brilliant. And I love this stuff, and I don't understand why I stopped using it, to be honest, because this is the only thing. If you've got really thick, coarse hair, this is your lifesaver. Went into Primark, and obviously I picked up some makeup bags. These are 3, so you get a big one, a medium one, and a small one. And I've obviously been using these, so I just thought I'd show you guys. These were £6 for 3. I don't remember if I showed you guys this before, but I think I might have showed you in my try-on haul. But this is just a see-through bag, because when I go and see Ariana Grande and all the live acts in Manchester, you've got to have a clear see-through bag. So I got that. This one was £6. The next thing I picked up were 2 packs of the foam rollers. I have tried the skinnier versions of these from Home Bargains, but my hair's too thick, so I went for the thicker ones. Hopefully these do the trick, because I want to try and have a bit of a wave in my hair as well. I then picked up some of the matte cleansing wipes. You get 2 for £1. My daughter nicked the other pack. Well, actually I gave my daughter the other pack. She didn't nick anything. So yeah, Prep and Perfect matte skin priming and cleansing wipes. So yeah, I thought I could use these. Now this, when I saw this, I instantly thought Smashbox. It gives me Smashbox vibes. I've never tried Smashbox because that's hella expensive, and your girl's always on a budget. So this is the Prep and Perfect Priming Water with Charcoal. So it preps the skin for makeup application, hydrating and detoxifying with caffeine. So I picked this up obviously because it just gave me Smashbox vibes, and I already like their original primer water, so I'll give that a go. Also, the scrunchie that I'm wearing in my hair today, that's also from Primark. That was £1. And then I've been seeing these all over Instagram, and I really wanted to pick myself some up, so I'm obviously talking about the clips. So these are the 2 yellow clips, yellowy gold, and these were £1.50 for a pack of 2. And then I just thought this was absolutely cute, so I picked this up as well, and this was £2, and it's just cute. It's this big bad boy here, and this is just a bit from here, there and everywhere, to be honest. So when I was in Poundland, I picked up a pair of pyjamas. So these are the shorts bottoms and the little cami. And these were £4.50, and they're just pyjamas, so yeah, £4.50 for a pair of pyjamas from the Poundland. You can't go wrong. Tony got me some Lacoste perfume. This is the Lacoste Pink, and this should have been £55, but there's a shop near me that does like all makeup and perfumes and stuff like that. I can't remember what the name of the shop is called, but I'll find out and link it below. But it's brilliant, and I got it for £29.99. So bargain. And another couple of pairs of like jewellery. These are from eBay, and I got these like pear drop rainbow earrings, and these were only like £3.99, and they're just really pretty. So I like costumey makeup stuff, well, costume jewellery should I say. And then I got these other pair, if I can actually open these, and these are really pretty. I just love little things like that. So they were about £3 as well. Like I say, everything will be linked down in the down bar below. I then picked up 3 of the little kitty face masks. I absolutely love these. These are from Home Bargains. They're 69p each. They're just a facial sheet mask and they cleanse your pores and remove dirt and oil. So I bought myself one and I bought Grace and Jenna one as well. And I just thought on the Sunday morning after the Saturday night that we can all just wear these while we're getting ready and just purify our skin. Obviously I wanted to buy some nails, so I've just got some stick-on nails. These were from Home Bargains again. They were £1.99. The Festival Essential 24-piece set of nails. So I will be putting these on at some point, I think Thursday when I break up from work, so I can't wear these at work. I work in a care home. These are not allowed. So I will be putting these on probably Thursday. Picked up another one of these. This was also off eBay, about a couple of pounds. It just says love on it, and it's one of those hair slides they're all about at the moment. They're really hot and in trend. Not that I'm actually trending or anything like that. I just thought that they were cute. Also from Home Bargains, I picked myself up some tanning mitts. I've never tanned myself ever in my whole entire life, but I'm gonna give it a go. So I picked up the Santa Monica Self Applicator mitt. I picked 2 up. They were 99p, so I picked 2 of those up. Along with the mitt, I picked up the Santramits or Santramits. I think that's how you pronounce it. Santramits. This is just the instant tanning mousse. I got mine in medium because I was looking at the dark and then the dark. I mean, your girl is hella pale. So I just want a nice little glow of a tan. So I didn't want to go in too dark, especially for my first time, because I'll probably end up hella dark. I'll probably end up like Ross or Friends. I'm going to just give it a go and just see how we get on. We'll do it together, guys. We'll do it together. I then picked up these from Poundland. And these are the Sparkle and Shine glitter sprays. So when we do our hair, we're just going to cover ourselves in glitter. Why not? Before I picked up this, I picked up a little miniature bottle of this. This is a Saint-Tropez Self Tan Purity. So it's a natural glowing skin, bronze water. So I thought this probably could do for my face or something. But who knows? Let's just go with the flow and see where it all goes. This is just the Wisdom Medium Control Grip toothbrush. It was £1 from Home Bargains, so I needed a new toothbrush anyway, and what better time to take a new toothbrush is when you're going away. I picked up some Sanex Under the Arm Roller Deodorant. This is Dermo Invisible 24-hour antiperspirant, and it restores natural pH. And it smells really good. I also picked up some shampoo and conditioner. This is the VO5. So it's the Revive Me Daily Conditioner and the Revive Me Daily Shampoo. This smells insane. It's absolutely beautiful. £1.99 each at Home Bargains, so a steal. I also picked up my absolute favourite body wash, which is the Imperial Leather. This is the Moroccan Spa Orange Blossom and Argan Oil, bursting with bubbles for soft, smooth skin. This smells incredible, and it's 89p from Home Bargains. We're down to the last 3 things in the bag, guys. So I wanted to pick up this little mask. This one is from Skin Academy Indulge, and basically you put this serum on first, and so what you do with this face mask is you tear this off, and then you pour it into the actual face mask, give it a little shake, and then you put the face mask on for about 20 minutes, and your skin is absolutely beautiful. So I'll be obviously using this just before I go to Pride's, probably on the Thursday night when I'm doing the tan. I'll probably do this as well. But obviously, obviously, you guys will see that on Friday. So I will be doing little bits like tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, like prepping for Pride. And then I'll put that video up on Friday. And then we come back on the Monday, so there won't probably be a video up until the Tuesday. So yeah, but it's going to be so exciting. I'm so excited. I can't wait just to let my hair down and have a little bit of me time with the girls. So I'm really looking forward to it. And then I picked up this foot mask. It's an exfoliating foot peel. So it's a tea tree and peppermint foot peel treatment enriched with tea tree and peppermint to gently remove rough, dead skin, leaving your feet soft and silky smooth. Well, I definitely want soft and silky smooth feet, let me tell you. So this is from the brand called Derma V10, and we will do this together as well. The last thing, which I'm definitely probably going to need, and so will Jenna and Grace probably, to be honest, is some ibuprofen. So I'm definitely going to be taking some ibuprofen because we are going to be getting a little bit drunk. So you're definitely going to need some ibuprofen tablets. So that is everything, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please by all means give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know the deal with all of that. And yeah, I'll see you on Friday's video, guys. So stay beautiful.